boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Hi,
You
bud.
did it! Swimming effort.
Go back.
Here he comes. Does that feel so good?
Good boy. Come on.
Hi, I love your scratches. Hi, buddy. Oh, you feel so good.
We got them at Costco. You were literally there. Like him?
Oh no. He's so tired.
I feel like I came in here to explore and get my best connection, and I did genuinely really miss Walden. That's how it should be. And definitely, yes, we don't tell our husbands.
So, I haven't filmed in a minute, but it is the 7th of July. Not much has happened, just a lot of cookie making and selling. But in 3 days, probably 2 now, because this day's over, it's Wallow's birthday. We just got hissed at. Why are we hissing at people? Wallow, why is she hissing at me? And obviously, I'm gonna go all out. It's his 2nd birthday. Anyways, it's gonna be Buzz Lightyear theme to infinity and beyond. And I'm turning 2, and I get whatever I want, right? The activity we're doing, that I'm making my family do, we're gonna be painting portraits of Wallow, because this year he's gotten himself into a lot of painting messes. So I thought it was cute. So I got this kit, and it comes with like this plate and then like individual paint things and then some boards and the easels. I'm gonna make everyone paint portraits of him. So that'll be fun, I think. And then today we went to the pet store because I've been having trouble finding what to get him for his birthday. So, hi Odie. Things I should have shown you before I just packed everything up, but I got these little boxes, and I'm thinking, because we're going to do like a movie night, I guess the orange cat was in Buzz Lightyear, so they're like little boxes. Odie, it's your brother's birthday, not yours, you're still in the shop. So then I'm going to like make these, and they're gonna be like our popcorn movie night. The Pizza Planet boxes, and then you hoodie, and you make them as like little party favors. And I saw something on Pinterest, and it was like cookie pizza. So I'm gonna make cookie pizzas, and then that's gonna be the party favors. And then I'm gonna make some for the dogs and the cats, and put like little treats inside of theirs. And then these are Wallow's presents. Again, I should have shown you before I put them in here, but there's just a bunch of toys, and I wrapped them up with this was my birthday wrapping paper. So now I am going to be, well, I already finished baking, but just gonna chill up here for a little bit, hang out with the cats. It's been really hot recently. There's been like a heat wave, so the cats haven't been able to come up because the dogs haven't been able to go out as much as they usually do. So yeah, they're having cat time. I'll show you. Right, Beans? You haven't had enough cat time? You haven't had the cat time? And here's Mars, the evil cat. Are you evil? Do you hiss at my friends when they try and go upstairs? You don't know where Wallow is? Where's your brother? He really likes the garage. Wallow! Oh, there you are! There you is. Oh, excuse you. Hi, birthday boy. Are you turning 2? You're so old. That's what I've been up to. Just haven't had much to film, to be honest. Look at this stack of cups that I just had to wash. Terrible. Also terrible news. Gilmore Girls got put onto or taken off of Netflix, so now I have to watch it on Hulu. It's pretty terrible.
It's the way they are now. Lorelai, this is Rory we're talking about.
Want me to go touch those boys for a second?
It's off center. It says something about being off center. I'm gonna freak
It's off center.
out. I knew you were gonna say that. I'm not fixing it. I can't.
No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Give me some more tape.
I think it says now. What do you have to say about turning 2? You have party guests arriving already. Dilly, you here for the party? You got kicked out of the room. Should I let you in the room and be mean?
Hurry up, man. Hurry up, man.
Talking to me? Talking to the birthday boy. You're
I'm doing all the work. I'm
you're-
carrying the team. What are we doing?
You're good to go. I don't need you for anything else.
Yes, you do. You can reach.
Oh shoot. He's sassy on his birthday.
Go, go. You got notes on your side? Here's the bottle pieces too.
And Ellie's has stopped in and got a couple of meatball heroes and some chips. I also packed a change of clothes.
I remember the days of lying on my mother about a boy. Once I had a boy hidden in the closet. Of course, Mom wouldn't leave, so I finally had to pretend to get sick to my stomach just to get her out of the room long enough for him to climb out the window and down the tree. I selected the piggies. You might choose the cherry chickens with chicken goats. As close to a farm as I ever want to get. Amen.
I'm not picking by myself. Oh, so you like no space, no privacy. I got plenty of privacy. Yeah, because I'm sitting downstairs with Sean Johnson, 2-inch TV. Hey, you're the one problem. You made the dress. Come on. Let's go. There's one place. It's supposed to be a little less.
probably good with that, maybe.
Hello.
Fine, I won't see picture.
Do you want to open that? You want to open a present?
He's licking it.
Okay, you can have it, okay? Sit, Wallow. What is it? Oh, now we're gonna pretend like we didn't just play with that toy for a minute. Oh, don't eat plastic. We don't need to go to the emergency room on your birthday. Set up.
They asked for a flan.
Oh, they did?
I don't even know what that is.
Steve?
Not happy. What am I painting?
What?
What am I painting again?
Wallow.
What if I don't want to paint Wallow?
You don't have a choice.
I'm painting something else.
No.
I think we should paint what we want to paint.
No, we're
I think
painting.
the
No,
activity
we're
should-
painting Wallow. It's his birthday. He wants
You
portraits.
know I paint like a 2-year-old, right?
He wants a bunch of pictures of himself.
Steve, come on.
Gosh.
You guys said you need a coffee.
Wallow's gonna roll.
He did just open the first one. He's getting sassy over there.
And he rolled
You
off.
getting this? He's really opening it. He rolled off the counter.
Oh, bless you.
Pepper in there?
She's gotten a lot of backup cameras from that.
Did you do Buzz? Because in the Buzz Lightyear movie, it has an orange cat.
Look at Leo. He's opening
He's really
it.
opening it.
I can see in the reflection.
Odie.
Oh, that's Odie. Never mind.
Oh, but he wants a shot too.
Oh, now it's...
I don't even remember what's in here. Oh, I think this is the tea bag. The one that I said it was weird and he would like
He
it.
likes weird stuff.
Hello, you can't get. Odie's gonna help.
Presents like mom. Or grandma. Are you really doing things?
Right, buddy?
She's seen my paintings before, right?
Yeah. What is that? He loves it. You love it, Wallow?
Can I get a pencil?
You can get up and get yourself a pencil. When you had kids, did you ever think when they turned to adults that they would make you sit down at their cat's birthday party and eat?
Oh, sorry.
Uh-oh. There's 2 tea bags. Oh, Odie loves them. Oh, he just whacked brother. Paula, you have more presents. Do you want to open more? Here. Bless you. You want to open another present?
This one's from Dad.
Open your present.
You're in trouble.
Oh, Odie loves these. There's water right there. No. Beans are in the pictures. Dear